girls go crazy.
Tore into it. Payne's pulling out the rod. So, how's it look? Ooh, that's got a little scarring there. So probably not the rod that fucking is making the noise though. Alright, push this one out. So, first cylinder is out. Checking it's back. Doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna pull out second. Sorry if this footage is a little shaky. It's kind of hard to keep both hands up. Push that bitch out. Yeah. Okay. Rubbing up again. So there's your top. Oh yeah, that definitely didn't like that one. No, that's why I got new ones sitting right over here. Well, I'm also gonna upgrade those rod bolts too. Huh. What is that? Nice. That's probably honestly what made that sound.
The rest of them have all fallen out of there.
Yeah, that one's not bad at all. I mean, I wouldn't reuse these, but
That one's not bad. The other two have been great. Ready?
yeah, but that fucking.
Push it back closer.
That help a little bit. And now that ring is. Up. This one. Alright, so now we're back to 3.
Good idea.
There, guys. Finally got it. Took us a minute. If she wants to come.
They might still.
Might still give us a little bit of trouble. the look you give when your motor is fucked.
Looks good. Yeah. Yep.
Go get that bitch.
Yep. Cut that rod out. Alright. Yeah, you can hop on. Fuck.
Oh, you good.
What the hell happened there? Show them again. What happened there? So that's why it was so fucking hard to take off.
Oh, that's fine.
So I spun a bearing.
Oh.
Is that good?
Is that Do you have another crank?
Not for this. Not for a B20. I mean, we could probably go pick one up. You would? Oh, I wouldn't trust anything.
Oops. Yeah. See where I like walked
Yeah.
off and just ate into the fucking
Ate into it.
compressed it. And, just like completely misshapen. I don't know.
Damn. I mean, B20 crankshafts are pretty easy to come by, but still, that fucking sucks. Yeah, guys, so pretty much we found out that the rods, it was cylinder 3. Actually, it's not the cylinder I expected it to be, but cylinder 3, I think this is the one. Yeah, you could tell this one was just shit compared to all the other ones. Literally. You taking off?
Yeah, I'll be back later. I have that.
Alright, brother.
We're back, man.
We'll see you now.
Dude, good luck with that.
Oh, I'm gonna need it.
If not,
If you see a B20 crank, let me know. We'll swap it. Alright, later.
See ya.
What do you think, man? It's worse than you thought.
I thought you over-exaggerated when you put in the post. I blew the Del Sol up.
Dude, I did blow the else up, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Nah, dude, actually, when we...
It's not that bad, bro.
No, I mean, it's the best case possible in this scenario. Yeah, it's the best case scenario in this situation. But on a real note, it's crazy. Like, we for sure thought that, you know, we would walk away, slap some new bearings on, but voice crack. No, voice crack. But we thought that we could slap some new bearings on, but obviously with, you know, where is it at? It's this one. With this, you know, it's not feasible. Like, I don't even want to use, I'm not going to use these pistons obviously and rods, but now I have to probably look for a new crank, because that one that was underneath, I'm not trying to pull one of these out at the junkyard, dude. I'm just trying to find one like on eBay or Marketplace, bro. eBay boy. But yeah, hopefully we can find something. This is just gonna be on hold, I guess, until we find something. But sure enough, dude. Yeah, you guys can see there's metal shaving in that pan. So it definitely, bruh. I swear, bro, if it stinks, bro. Blaine's supposed to be coming over too. So, but until then, guys, we'll probably just fucking chill out. I'm gonna go and edit this, and I'm gonna edit some other videos too. So we'll catch you guys. But yeah. Watch the. Hey. Oh. Woo. You're good. But you almost took that brick out with that rim, bro. This guy. Huh? Well, he couldn't jack it up because it was scraped. Now he's being so obnoxious with it. Kyle, how was it?
I'm gonna sell it.